Hello, this is Mr. Andy, and he is on my Lego candy machine. If you push the button, nothing comes out. Take a quarter, put it in the coin slot, push, the gumball comes out. To refill it, just put it in this place right there, close it up, and then candy doesn't come out. If you try to cheat with a nickel, a penny, or a dime, I'm going to show you what happens. Dime first, comes out. Penny comes out, and then nickel comes out. This thing just came out by itself because I moved it. I moved the machine a little, and to get your money, turn it over to the side. Take this thing out, and then you can. Wait. And there's your money. I just finished it right now. It only took me 15 minutes to build. I figured this out from the Lego Maker 3000. Not the same mechanism, but the coin thing. I figured it out. If you want to know, just if you want to know, then I'll tell you if I get 13 subscribers. I only have 10 right now, so please subscribe.